10 Most Popular Reasons Why People Use Drugs. There are a few reasons why one uses drugs, and this varies for each person. A person usually finds a way to solve a certain problem in life and they consider drugs to be the solution to that problem. The use of alcohol drugs in teens is their way of fitting the group or can also be a result of peer pressure. Below are the 10 most common reasons why people use drugs. Reason number 1. Most common reasons why people use drugs: loneliness. Loneliness and isolation from family and friends can cause addiction. When people cannot find positive interactions daily, they may turn to substances to make themselves happy and content. Also, the users will become more alienated if they fear others' judgment or if nobody can help their situation. Reason number 2. Most common reasons why people use drugs: experimenting. Out of curiosity, a person is trying to experiment with alcohol or drugs. This is the most common scenario for young people who have developed a habit of addiction. According to the National Institute for Drug Abuse, young people who experiment with alcohol and drugs are vulnerable to substance use disorders. Reason number 3. Most common reasons why people use drugs: to make you feel good. Not all but most users like the feeling when they take substances, making them crave for more until they can no longer stop. Reason number 4. Most common reasons why people use drugs: peer pressure. Peer pressure is common to young adults or adolescents. Some force themselves to participate in their peer group's dangerous activities just to fit in. Reason number 5. Most common reasons why people use drugs: recreation. Some people use drugs or alcohol with their friends as a way to unwind after a stressful day. They see substances as a solution to relax their minds. Reason number 6. Most common reasons why people use drugs: mental disorder. People with post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety and depression can be at risk for having an addiction. It might seem easier to some to depend on substances to cope with their feelings and emotions. But there is help for anyone with mental health disorders. It's worth to visit a doctor and discuss about any non-narcotic medications and other alternatives. Reason number 7. Most common reasons why people use drugs: genetics or family history. You have a predisposing factor in developing an addiction if your family have a history of drug addiction. About 40% to 60% of the risk for developing alcohol use disorder can be due to genes, while 60% to 80% for nicotine, cocaine and other substances. Reason number 8. Most common reasons why people use drugs: self-medication. People suffering from different illnesses may seek alcohol or drugs to alleviate their pain. Substances, including alcohol, seem a short-term solution only. Nevertheless, it is advisable to seek medical help to fight any mental health disorders or chronic pain. Reason number 9. Most common reasons why people use drugs: it is not enough. The effect of alcohol may change over time, especially when a body gets used to it. The feeling when some individuals were able to achieve with a few drinks before might not work anymore, making them to drink more. This, unfortunately, can leave them powerless and unable to stop drinking. Reason number 10. Most common reasons why people use drugs: prescription drugs. Some medications prescribed by physicians are used to relieve pain or other mental and health problems. Although these medicines are helpful, they also have risks or side effects that should be monitored. Opioid medications used to treat chronic pain are highly addictive. In some cases, a medical detox is required to stop the use of opioids. Addictive medications are also prescribed for people with anxiety or depression to relieve symptoms. Pain recovery services or non-addictive medicines are frequently available. There are a bunch of reasons why people are using drugs. Educating ourselves about the risks and effects of alcohol or drug use can help individuals fight addiction and make much better decisions in life. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.